Hi, this is Victor Pandian, Digital Marketing Professional from Learn Digital Academy. Today we'll be discussing about content marketing. In our previous session, we were talking about content writing. Now let us understand the types of content. Content can be anything that you see on internet today pertaining to digital marketing. It can be an article or a blog. It can be an image or a video, or any type document like PDF or slides, or on any MP3 format like podcast, and many more. Why do we need a content? We need content in order to attract audience or users, and we see that they get engaged using our any forms of content. Now, we need to market our creative content on internet sources. Content is the king in digital marketing. Content marketing is a form of marketing focused on creating, publishing, and distributing content for its audience online. It is often used by businesses in order to attract attention and generate leads, expand their customer base, generate or increase online sales. Inbound marketing, which will come under content marketing. Firstly, he attracts you as a stranger towards him. He grabs your attention through his colorful, eye-catching content, which can be a blog or an article, image, video, or audio. It can be of any forms of contents. These contents are mostly non-paid content. Secondly, his purpose of publishing a content, that is, he is expecting something in return. It might be visitor increase, or you want to increase his traffic for his website, or even can expect a business for his work. From a stranger, you are becoming a visitor. Example, a decade ago, most of us were in schools or colleges. There was a hot topic, world is coming to an end in 2012. Most of us started creating content on those untruth facts of Maya calendar. If you check who has published them, they were none other than National Geographic, Wikipedia, History Channel, and lot other top publishers. Now why do they do that? So this was the hot topic during that time, and they started reading article based on the untruth fact. Now, people love reading on internet. Now most of us would have read them, or now we will go to internet and search for a better article. Third, from stranger you have become a visitor. Now you are a lead to those business who can be a prospect, that is customer, tomorrow. In this place, they will ask you to subscribe over our video or for a newsletter. Remember, if the content is really amazing, viewers will surely follow and share it among their networks. Stage 4. You are now a regular user or a customer since you like the content and you would like to hear more about that on a daily basis. What would you do? You'll go there and subscribe the link. Last stage. The best part is we live in a society where we share everything that is available for free. You are indirectly promoting their services with your network. So you use all the social media platforms, Google platforms, article submission platforms, blog submission platforms to tell people that this article is really good. Thank you.